Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of astronomy with a review of the Celestron Cometron 7x50 astronomy binoculars. If you're curious about the night sky and want to explore the stars and comets, these binoculars might just be what you need. We've found this product online and added the link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. The Celestron Cometron 7x50 binoculars are designed specifically for beginners who are eager to learn about astronomy and stargazing. With their user-friendly design and impressive features, these binoculars offer an accessible way to start your journey into the cosmos. They provide an excellent balance of performance and affordability for anyone interested in exploring the night sky. Let's talk about some of the standout features of the Cometron 7x50. First and foremost, they offer a 7x magnification, which is ideal for getting a closer look at celestial objects without sacrificing too much field of view. This means you can easily scan across the Milky Way, spot constellations, and observe larger objects like comets with ease. The wide 6.6-degree angular field of view ensures that you won't miss out on any of the action in the sky above you. One of the highlights of these binoculars is the large 50mm objective lenses, which allow for greater light gathering. This is especially important for stargazing since many celestial objects are faint and require good light transmission for clearer visibility. The multi-coated optics further enhance this capability by reducing reflections and increasing contrast, giving you bright, detailed views of the universe. Whether you're gazing at the moon or tracking a comet, you can expect vibrant and sharp images. But these binoculars aren't just limited to nighttime use. They are versatile enough for various daytime activities too. Imagine birdwatching in your local park, hiking through scenic landscapes, or just enjoying a beautiful view. With a close focus of just 26.2 feet, you can enjoy crisp details whether you're scrutinizing a distant mountain or observing wildlife. Another practical feature is the built-in tripod adapter socket. This allows you to mount the binoculars on a standard tripod, which is a game changer for extended viewing sessions. If you're planning to spend some time stargazing, a stable setup can significantly enhance your experience by eliminating the shake that often comes with handheld viewing. Now, who are these binoculars suitable for? The Celestron Cometron 7x50 is perfect for beginners and casual stargazers who want to explore the night sky without breaking the bank. They're also great for families, educators, and anyone looking to introduce children to astronomy in an engaging way. If you're a hiker, birdwatcher, or simply someone who appreciates nature, these binoculars can serve multiple purposes, making them a fantastic addition to your outdoor gear. In summary, the Celestron Cometron 7x50 astronomy binoculars offer a great entry point into the world of astronomy. With their powerful magnification, large objective lenses, and versatile usage, they cater to a wide range of interests. Plus, with a limited lifetime warranty and customer support from a trusted brand, you can feel confident in your purchase. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.